Salt Lake City Airport is smoke-free. Individuals wishing to smoke must exit the airport with a designated smoke area curbside. Thank you.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ 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 ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ we will go there.
see it. Like you can see the makeup now. Well, please drink this water. You know what I'm saying?
They do like to go green eye.
응.